I'm Dr. Urvashi Barbhaya, your physical therapist. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go below. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any updates. Today I'm going to demonstrate 10 exercises for frozen shoulder. Frozen shoulder is a condition in which capsule, which is a tissue that surrounds the shoulder joint, it becomes inflamed and thickened, which limits the mobility in the shoulder joint. Well, this is very common in patients with diabetes, also patients who have had any shoulder injury or fractures due to which the shoulder was immobilized, due to which you could have limited range in your shoulder along with pain and stiffness. Well, if you have frozen shoulder, these exercises are for you. With frozen shoulder, even simple amount of movements like combing our hair, donning a bra or upper body dressing, or even reaching for something overhead is so difficult for us. So we're going to use a cane or a stick like this just to improve those kind of movements, or such that you improve the mobility in your shoulder so that you are able to do those movements properly. So for that we will use this, and in this whole video I'm going to demonstrate as if my right shoulder is the one affected so you can understand it better. So I'm going to take the stick in my hand, keep my right hand above and keep my left hand below, so that, and I'm also going to make sure that my elbow is going to be straight. So when I push with my left shoulder, I'm going to have some improvement in my right shoulder. Okay. So I'm going to push with my left shoulder up like this, such that my right shoulder is going to go up in this direction, straight. Okay. So we'll do this for 15 to 20 repetitions. Now we're going to try to improve the shoulder abduction, which is this movement, which is from the side. So for that, I'm again going to keep my elbow straight, hands on the stick, and then keeping my palm like this with thumb facing this way. And then I'm just going to push it with my left hand sideways like this as far as I can, and then bring it down. We'll do this for 15 to 20 repetitions as well. Again, I'm going to push it with my left hand such that my elbow is straight, and then my shoulder is going to go up as far as it can. After this, we're going to try to improve this movement, which is in and out. So for that, I'm going to keep my elbows bent like this, holding on to the stick like this, and then going out. I'm going to try to push it with my left hand. Okay. And then using the stick, I'm just going to try to bring it in as far as I can. Again, out like this, and then coming back to neutral, and then in here. This is to improve the external rotation, this movement, and to improve the internal rotation, which is this movement. Now, the next one is to improve the shoulder extension movement. For that, we will keep the stick like here, and then push the shoulder backwards with the help of the stick as far as you can, and then bring it back. Again, we do this for 15 to 20 repetitions. Okay. So now, for the next exercise, we'll be needing a towel. So a towel is going to help us with improving the simple movements. So for example, when we comb our hair, we comb it like this, right? So we need this movement. So my right shoulder is the one affected, and I want to be able to do this movement. So for that purpose, I'm going to keep my shoulder up here. So if, for example, if you cannot reach, just try to grab the towel from behind like this. Okay. And then keep your left hand right here. And then with the help of the towel and the left hand, bring your left hand or pull your left hand towards down, like towards the floor. So in that way, your shoulder will automatically come down like this. Okay. I'm going to demonstrate again. So grab onto the towel from behind like this if you cannot reach overhead. So just grab it from here, and then with the other hand, just pull the towel towards the floor. We will improve the external rotation, or your hand will be able to reach here. And now, for example, if you're not able to scratch your back or wash your back or even don your bra, so you need this movement. So for you to be able to do this movement, we'll try to bring the towel from up top like this and then hold the towel here, okay? And now with the help of the left hand and the towel, pull the towel towards the ceiling as far as you can, okay? We'll hold this each movement for 5 seconds and then we do it for 15 to 20 repetitions. This will help you in improving this movement, okay? So now the next one is to help you to do the stretching for anterior capsule. For doing that, keep your hand and bend from your elbow like this and then keeping your body facing towards this side and then just go forward a little or shift your body weight onto the front foot. Keep one foot in front, keep one at the back and just shift your body weight and move towards the right foot. For example, if I'm keeping my right foot in front and left at the back, I'm just going to shift my body weight and move forward like this such that I feel a good stretch in here. Okay? And then I'm just going to go up forward like this. Hold this position for 30 seconds and do it 3 times. So I'm doing this. I'm just keeping my elbow bent like this and then like this and then I'm just going forward like this so that I feel a good stretch here. So for 30 seconds and 3 times I'm going to hold that. And the next one is for the posterior capsule stretch, which is to stretch this capsule which is behind the shoulder. I'm just going to keep my shoulder up here like this and then with the other hand I'm just going to give a little pull like this such that I feel a good stretch around here. I'm going to hold this for 30 seconds and do it 3 times. Okay. Now the next one is for improving the strength in your rotator cuff muscle, which is to improve the strength in this, which is internal rotators, and then to improve the strength in external rotators. For that, you can either use a water bottle or like a container which is a little heavier or like a dumbbell, just like this. And then you can also place a towel here, fold a towel roll and then place it here such that your shoulder is going to be in neutral position and then just bring it in like this and then out like this. We'll do this for 15 to 20 repetitions inside for internal rotators and then 15 to 20 repetitions for the external rotator strengthening. So we're going to do pendulum exercises now. For that you will need a chair for support. You can also use a dumbbell or a water bottle just to give a little traction and also to strengthen the muscles. So I'm going to keep my base as wide as I can. And then I'm going to move my body like this. And then I'm going to completely relax my shoulders. So when I completely relax my shoulder is also going to move in the same direction as my body. I'll do it for 15 to 20 repetitions. And then I'm going to move it in the other directions. Nice and slow. We'll do it again, 15 to 20 repetitions. Then I'm going to keep one foot in front, one at the back. And then I'm just going to shift my body weight from front to back. And if I keep my shoulder relaxed, my shoulder is going to move from front to back like this. And then if I keep my base like this, side to side. And if I shift my body weight side to side, my shoulder is kept relaxed. It's going to move side to side, which will help in improving the mobility in the shoulder. These exercises can be done twice a day, once in morning and one before sleeping. You can also use a heating pad to relax the surrounding muscles of the shoulder joint. The heating pad can be used for 10 to 15 minutes, once or twice a day if possible. Well, if you have any questions with respect to this video or exercises, or you want me to discuss any condition in future, please do write it in the comment section. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.